Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Suffer. So in this video I will talk about top 5 powerful network scanning tools for cybersecurity. So the first tool name is Nmap. Nmap is open source network scanner. So it has discover host and open ports. It has OS detection, service and vision detection. Nmap used for advanced scanning. So it is best for ethical hackers, network admins, and penetration tester. So you can also download it from there. So the next tool name is Angry IP Scanner. It is very fast IP scanner. It scans local networks. It detects live host and it exports result for CVT or TXT. So it is best for beginners and quick network discovery. You can also download it from there. So the next tool name is Advanced IP Scanner. It is for Windows only. It detects all devices on your network. It has remote access and it works on LAN support. So it is best for Windows users and IT support. You can also download it from there. So the next tool name is Netdiscover. This ARP based network discovery tool. It finds devices without active scanning and it included in kernel Linux. So it is best for internal network reconnaissance. So the next tool name is Muscan. So Muscan is world's fastest port scanner. It can scan millions of IP quickly. So it is similar to Nmap but optimized for speed. And it is best for large scale network scaling. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.